Welcome everyone, we're going to go through a GCSE Chemistry past paper question on giant structures. This video explains the link between substances with giant structures and their properties. Let's get started. Here's the first part of the question. This question is about structure and bonding. The diagram shows part of the structure and bonding in diamond. Explain why diamond has a high melting point. Diamond is an allotrope of carbon. There is only one type of atom present, so it is an element. Other allotropes of carbon include graphite and fullerenes. Allotropes are forms of the same element in which the atoms are arranged differently. Carbon is a non-metal. Covalent bonds occur between the atoms. Each carbon atom is bonded to 4 other carbon atoms. The carbon atoms exist in a regular repeating pattern known as a lattice. This is an example of a giant structure. Let's address the question. Diamond has a giant covalent lattice structure. Each carbon atom is bonded to 4 other carbon atoms by strong covalent bonds. Lots of energy is needed to break the strong covalent bonds to melt diamond. Here's the next part of the question. The diagram shows part of the structure and bonding in sodium chloride, NaCl. Explain the conditions needed for sodium chloride to conduct electricity. Sodium is a metal, chlorine is a non-metal. Ionic bonds occur between the positive and negative ions. The diagram on the left shows a two-dimensional portion of the ionic structure in the solid state. The ions are in fixed positions. They cannot move and so they cannot carry charge. Solid sodium chloride does not conduct electricity. If enough heat energy is provided, the ionic bonds are broken. The solid sodium chloride melts and becomes a liquid. The ions are free to move. Liquid, sometimes called molten, ionic substances can conduct electricity. Most ionic substances dissolve in water. Ions are free to move in aqueous ionic substances. Aqueous sodium chloride will also conduct electricity. Let's address the question. For sodium chloride to conduct electricity, the ions must be mobile. Aqueous sodium chloride will conduct electricity. Liquid sodium chloride will conduct electricity. Here's the final part of the question. The diagram shows the structure of sodium. Describe how sodium conducts thermal energy. Sodium has a giant metallic structure, a lattice, a regular repeating pattern of metal cations surrounded by delocalized electrons. Let's put the delocalized electrons on the diagram. Let's address the question. Delocalized outer shell electrons are free to move. These electrons can transfer energy through the structure. Here are the details of the questions we've just gone through. Comments and questions and suggestions are always welcome. Thanks for watching.